Like I say every night at the end of the show, there is always a bull market somewhere. And even without a stimulus package, we've got a whole bunch of them that should do just fine. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of breadth here. Well, first, there's a relentless bull market in housing. And there you can think Toll Brothers, D.R. Horton, Pulte, and Cramer fave Lennar. These companies are huge COVID winners. When you're stuck working from home, your housing priorities change. Who wants to live in a tiny apartment in the city to save time on your commute when you have no commute? This is the Zoom economy, people. You might as well move to the suburbs or the country where you can have more room. That's why the demand for homes is far outstripping the supply. I kept thinking that mortgage rates would inevitably rise because the economy is on the rebound, particularly the housing economy. But Fed Chief Jay Powell is a smart guy, and he just told you again and again, but most recently he's committed to keeping rates low for a long time, particularly if there is no stimulus. So you've got a real safety net here. As long as the home builders keep running, everything that goes into a house works too. So tools, buy Stanley Black & Decker, appliances, pick up some Whirlpool, furniture, that's Herman Miller for those Aeron desk chairs, or Wayfair for everything else. Cookware, well, that's obvious. You want Williams-Sonoma. And for all the other essentials, well, there's Costco, Lowe's, and Home Depot. I like every one of these. But your home isn't just the place where you live and work, right? In the age of COVID, it's also an entertainment center. Roku allows you to stream content from the web straight to your TV. And if you want a home theater, now that the real theaters are dying off, well, that's Best Buy. The second bull market is related to the first one. That's the remote work tech stocks. When we first went into lockdown, we didn't know what to expect. It was supposed to be temporary, right? A month or two of Zooming, and then we go back to normal. Turns out it's more complicated than that. There are all sorts of security issues when you connect to the office from home, so the whole cybersecurity cohort just keeps getting a boost. Now, my favorites are Zscaler, Cloudflare, and, of course, Palo Alto Networks. It's not just security, though. Before COVID, cloud-based software was a great way to boost your business, but now it's become essential. Can't use old-fashioned on-premises software when everybody's off the premise. So the cloud facilitators are getting more business than they ever imagined. Salesforce.com has seen a dramatic acceleration in orders, especially for the stuff that's part of the Work.com cloud, which shows companies and local governments how to reopen safely and efficiently. I think CEOs who try to reopen irresponsibly will ultimately find themselves in hot water because Salesforce has figured out the best way, really the best-in-class way, to pull this off. They don't want to be on the wrong side of angry, sick workers, or more importantly, their lawyers.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.